Welcome to the LRC. This is a tour of the Learning Resources Center and the library. So we're going to start off on the south end of the building in the south entrance. You'll enter through these doors and another set of doors. And once we enter through these doors, there is just a common area where you can sit and relax. To our left is the cafe. So we have coffee, sandwiches, things like that available in here. Also an open seating area. And then to our right are the restrooms, and we're going to head into the library now. And this is the circulation desk. This is where you would check out any materials. We do have a photocopy machine right there towards the right. And usually it is staffed by someone. If no one's staffed there, you can always go to the Ask Here desk, which we'll see in a minute. We're looking at the south end of the computer lab, and we have several computers here. This is one of the printers for the south end. We have staples, tape, and everything there. This is the Ask Here desk. This is where you would ask any questions that are research related, any questions in general, but this is always staffed by a librarian and a reference assistant. These are the north computers. Again, there's a printer on this side as well, and then some more open seating area. This area is very popular. It has a lot of best-selling books. We have something called the McNaughton Collection, which rotates out. And this area is popular because there is a lot of light. You can see the windows there. A very popular place for students to study. So we have tables and some more comfy chairs towards the back there. These are more of our periodicals, some magazines, some journals, things like that. We're going to head to the back area of the library where our study rooms are located now. To your left, you'll see some of the stacks. These are books that you can check out. More study areas, but this back area here is where our group study rooms are located. And you can see that we have 5 of those. So there's 3 there and then 2 over here. And right now we are practicing social distancing, so we do have some limited capacities in here. And then more study area back here. This is a quieter study area. You can see we have some carols here. And now we're moving towards where our individual study rooms are. And one person can fit in these. And all of them are equipped with a computer and a marker board. Some of these have special software, which you can ask us about. And this is where more of our stacks are located. More study space. And those shelves right there you see are where our reference texts and materials are located. We have a lot, as you notice, we have a lot of open study space and areas to relax, so you can do that there. We're going to move out of the library and towards special services. Special services is a really great resource. They offer some counseling help and other help beyond that. They are also in charge of handling disability services and access services. So if you have questions about that, you can see them. But they're tucked away in this corner back here. Very important place. And this is where they're located. Special services. You can schedule an appointment right now. Again, due to COVID-19, they're scheduling appointments only. You can call them at 733-7373 or email them at counselingservices@rose.edu. So that's special services. We're going to walk a bit back towards the library, and we're going to go to the second floor now. There are elevators. There's two elevators in the building, one on the north end and on the south end. So you'll see that towards the right. Before this tour, we're taking the stairs. So up the stairs we go. The second floor is also home to academic outreach. That's for concurrent enrollment. So high school students who are enrolled at Rose State. And their offices are back behind that elevator there and behind these sofas and couches. So again, the second floor, lots of open study space for you. We're going to walk towards academic testing now. This is where you would take a test if your professor has sent a test over to the testing center, and they proctor exams here. So it's in this back hall, and you can check for their hours on the website library.rose.edu. Their hours are included there as well. So that's academic testing. You'll check in with someone at the desk there, and they'll get your test started. You always want to show up an hour before they close. That way you have some time to take a test. If you show up 30 minutes before they close, they won't accept you because you wouldn't have enough time to take the test. We're going to walk back towards the south end of the building and towards tutoring services and the tutoring center. Right now, all tutoring is available online through tutor.com, and you can access that through Canvas. But I wanted to show you where it is located. Also, keep an eye out on our website for more information about the tutoring center. So we're going to head back downstairs, back to where we started, and that pretty much covers the Learning Resources Center and the library. Hopefully this was helpful and you're a little bit more oriented, so if you haven't been to the LRC or the library yet, you kind of know where to go. So that was, again, just a brief tour. We have ended up where we started, and I hope you enjoyed this video and hope to see you in the library and LRC soon. Thanks.